Today we will be looking at my lesson that I made on Nearpod about stars. This is for a second grade class. Using Nearpod, I have learned that I really enjoy it. It is very interactive and engaging and accessible for all learners, and there are many things that you can integrate into the lesson and have the option of integrating for students who might need those. It also allows students to participate in real time, which gives teachers instant feedback on the students' understanding. My second slide is the standards, which this lesson will go over. Standards S2E1B, which is about constructing an argument, and ISTE standards 1.3D, which is about looking in a real-world perspective. I also have I can statements at the bottom, so students know what they are learning about and what they should be paying attention to. I also have on every single slide, I have recorded me speaking and reading everything on the slides. This is for my students who are still learning how to read and students who might just need that little bit of extra help. Next, I have an open-ended question, which will again read them the question, but they can also record their audio and answer the question in an audio form or type it out. This is just a pre-assessment on what they already know about the sun and other stars. It could be things that they've noticed, things that they want to know, just more of what they know or want to know about stars. A little pre-assessment, if you will. Now they will watch a video that starts from a small dwarf planet and goes all the way to the biggest star in our universe, and it compares these stars by size. It'll also say the names of the stars. While they watch the video, there are questions that they will answer as they go through, and that is a form of assessment for this lesson. Next, they will have another question about the stars, a few questions to answer. They can record audio again, or they can type it out, whichever one is easier for the student, so I can see how much they are understanding. And again, it does read the question to them. And this question is both about noticing and things that they've learned, and also comparing the sun to the other stars, since that's in the standard. Next, this is supposed to be a little bit of a fun thing for them. It is a VR of the stars in the Sahara Desert. While you can't see the sun in this picture, I thought it would be very cool for students to be able to look and compare sizes of stars, which is something that it should say to them as they go through this lesson, to look and compare stars. After the VR, they will watch another video that asks a few more questions, and this video is talking about, it's asking what if questions, and what if we had a different star that we revolved around in our solar system. So some of these questions ask them what would happen if this star was the star that we revolved around. Gets them thinking, and also comparing the sun and other stars. This is another open-ended question where they can type or record audio, and it is, do you think the sun is the biggest star? And they will explain why they think what they